What's up, everybody? We're here at Crown Dodge in the city of Ventura, taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo, white on black interior. A certified Jeep gives you the peace of mind with a 125 multi-point inspection by a certified Jeep technician, which includes a 3-month, 3,000-mile limited warranty and an 84-month, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty. This car has a clean CarFax with no accidents, is a one-owner vehicle. It comes with an 8-speed automatic 3.6-liter V6 engine that gets 293 horsepower, 19 miles per gallon in the city, 26 in the highway, standard with Bluetooth. Again, this thing is still under factory warranty for another 15,000 miles or until September 2022. Keyless entry, push to start, backup camera, rear parking sensors, blind spot monitoring, alloy wheels. If you like what you see, give us a call, direct message us, or come on down to Crown Dodge in the city of Ventura. We look forward to answering your questions, having you come by and take a look. We're open 7 days a week. Again, this is Crown Dodge in the city of Ventura.